Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors Auto Auction Review Series. I've been gone for a while. We're building a business, standing up our collector car storage facility here in Richmond, Virginia, and I decided to take a trip to Iceland with Lucky 8 to drive Defenders around the ring road. So it has been a very expensive and time-consuming month, and I'm not saying I'm back, but this one caught my attention. Let's talk Land Rovers, kids. Let's get into it. Let's talk about overpriced D2s bought sight unseen from Carvana. We love Carvana, and we're not even gonna dance around the sale price here. $14,000 for a 4-owner, 87,000-mile Discovery 2, 2004, with a Camel Trophy license plate. You hear that? $14,000. Let's talk about it. This car came up a couple days ago. I knew it was going to go for more than I'd want. I mean, let's just talk about the state of the Rover economy right now. It's a little bit silly. Maybe I'm behind the times. Maybe a 87,000-mile sight unseen 4.6 2004 D2 is worth $14,000. But I will let you guys review and let me know in the comments what you think, because this one's a little bit interesting. So where is this? This is located in Indiana. It's 4 owners. It smells like smoke. 2.8 out of 5 condition grade. No structural damage. It's got BFGs on it. Yes, it has a factory grill guard and lights. Cool. Green light, ride and drive. Is there any Rover that is green light? Have you ever purchased a used Land Rover that's green light, ride and drive? So the first thing that this tells me is, yes, you can bid with the knowledge that if there are undisclosed issues or terminal flaws, it can be disputed or returned. So bid with confidence is what they're saying. But Carvana's not exactly known for nailing their Land Rover walkarounds. Here are the scratches, steering wheel worn, smells like smoke, check engine lights on, no other damage. So this puppy's coming back. $14,000. Let's get into it. All right. Exterior, fine. Looks okay. I can't tell what that paint, if it's got clear coat or not. Who cares? Tires look good. Still has the factory running boards off. This is basically the spec that I have. So maybe mine just went up. BFGs. Do we have a date stamp? 225. So maybe this is a really good Carfax. Maybe it has a new motor. Even if it had a new motor, it's still a lot of money. Indiana license plate, so someone definitely Carfax. So I'm wondering if they're bidding strictly on something on the Carfax that really got them going. Again, I'm not talking down to this vehicle. The $32,000, 39,000-mile D2 still has not sold also. So we'll see. Paint, you really can't tell in the silver. They could not have clear coat on it. It's just tough to nail down. Clear headlights. So there's no paint on the roof. This is silver, has perished. You'll need to repaint the roof if you want to try to get full retail. Here you go, rust-free. Frame looks awesome. I mean, that's a reason why I would bid at $8,000 maybe, not $14,000. Frame looks great, factory exhaust, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't look like it's leaking anything. Really, really good condition. Like, again, this is a good Rover from that standpoint. Check engine lights on. Man, it's rough to buy a D2 with the check engine light on. Temp gauge. D2 temp gauges, when it's reading right in the middle, because they usually read a little bit farther down. That means it's running idling at around 203, 205, which means there's something in the cooling system that's not up to standard. Yes, you can run a 4.6 at that temperature for durations, but will that start to deteriorate your head gasket and whatnot? Yes, it will. I know that because I have one. That should be reading slightly down, so that tells me, shooting from the hip, that this thing's running a little bit hot. Hotter than it should be. Hotter than you'd like it to run if you're going to not have to address things in the cooling system. CDL. Interior looks like it's in good condition. Factory mats. Neato. Headliner, can't tell. Has a headliner. Good for them. What is that? A sunroof? A door? Looks like a door. Looks like it comes with a door. That's interesting. Nothing to see. One key. Matching spare. Here you go. Is there coolant? Yes. I started this video to say there was no coolant. It looks like there's coolant. Is that water? Probably. It's kind of a tough look for Indiana in the cold, unless it's yellow. I'm guessing this thing. Someone should run the Carfax. Let me know if this has had a head gasket recently done or something, because I don't get it. Nothing to see. Check engine light. Could be a gas cap. Could be something little. Could be something big. I don't know. Shift boot. Whatever. Yeah, no paint. Paint's been burned off. Maybe it was a Texas truck. Oh, that's cracked. Yikes, guys. I mean, it's a bit depressing. Oh, needs brakes. You know, like, you've got a Honda dealer. A Honda dealer was the top bidder here. It was a Honda dealer, and let me check. Sorry, I have this on my phone too. Atlanta Motorsports, Car Cheer, Battle Creek Honda. Battle Creek Honda won this vehicle. And that's it. Got a really expensive D2. They're going up in value. Buy one now. I don't know what to say. So, catch you on the next one.